We're told to write 10 to the negative 4 as a simplified fraction and as a decimal. So pause this video, have a go at that. Okay, so let's first do it as a fraction. So 10 to the negative 4th power. The negative in an exponent just means 1 over 10 to the positive version of that exponent. So this is equal to 1 over 10 to the 4th. And of course, this is equal to 1 over 10 to the 4th. We could write it out as 10 times 10. Actually, let me just do this. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Or you might have been able to go just straight to this idea that if I have 10 to the 4th, that's going to be 1 followed by 4 zeros. So 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And you can see it over here. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. So there you have it. We've written it as a simplified fraction. Now let's write it as a decimal. So we really just have to write 1/10,000th. So let's get our place values. So this right over here is the tenths place. This is the hundredths place. This is the thousandths place. And this is the 10,000ths place. So we have 1/10,000th. So 1/10,000th. We have no tenths, no hundredths, and no thousandths. So this is 0.0001. Another way to think about it is 10 to the negative 4, notice, to go from 1 to this right over here, we would have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So one way to think about it, if you multiply by 10 4 times, you're going to move the decimal 4 times to the right. If you do it 10 to the negative 4, you're going to move the decimal 4 times to the left.